Hey buddy. Hello. I am off to do a shoot with a physio, equine physio, and it's pancake day and I have eaten my body weight in pancakes, that's for sure. I'm not much of a talent at making pancakes, but I've been eating warm doughy stuff with lemon sugar on. Interesting. And we've been looking at courses for the photography show and that kind of thing, just doing some businessy stuff. Not much to fill you in on really, things are pretty quiet, but it's the calm before the storm and I'm enjoying boosting my business. God, my skin is really bad. But yeah, we're off to shoot now. So we are here and ready to start shooting.
Oh no, Martha. Don't you dare put that on top of me.
Wisdom. Syl's wisdom.
Oh God, I don't know. What am I supposed to say to that?
Quote for life that will make you happy.
My family.
That's not a quote.
My grandchildren.
That's cute, but it's not a quote. Because I've been outside in the wet. Got new slippers because I live in them. Not showing my face today because I look like crap. I'm just going through all my memory sticks and look what I found on it.
Oh.
There's a few.
Where was that take? Oh, the wedding, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Robert's wedding.
Aww, cute. Look where I just found this little monkey. Like behind here, don't you? What are you doing? My clinic's been cancelled because it's like this outside. It's windy. Got my hair in a plait because if anyone has long hair or just hair in general, you know it gets naughty. There's my gills! Kitty, what have you been rolling in? Mum's just given Moomin some catnip because he's been a bit stressed this morning with the wind, haven't you? And I'd say it's working. It's definitely working, innit? Look at the grass outside. It was blowing way more before, but... Oh, it's Sunday actually. Went out last night so my brain's not great. Yes, is that a camera? No, she's looking at Deb. We're off to a dressage clinic. Not sure? This is what I've eaten it.
Not to be left out, says often.
What will Zoffy think? Says, well, I've got 2 bits in my mouth, Mum.
That's what I can manage.
Well, that's 2 yeses for the Carmen cookies. Lola's never sure on something at the start, but she hasn't spelled it out. Mum's been commentating because Lola keeps going for Zoffy and I haven't quite tied her up tight enough. Oh. She said I have a bit out. Oh, I hate it when you do that. It's like an angry teenager. Oh, the sun's come out. We are really having cool weather today, aren't we? Bloody freezing. It's been snowing, raining, 43 mile/hour winds, 42, but what's the bloody difference? Exactly, Zoffy, I agree. You look so mad. You're going to be naughty today. Hi guys, so today I've been doing lots of things and I forgot to vlog. I've been meeting up with someone just quickly for something that we're doing hopefully next week, weather permitting. You know, the weather's been absolutely awful lately. So I can't really tell you about that yet, which is exciting and also annoying because I know when people do that, that's really annoying, but good. and lots of exciting things in the pipeline because I've actually got my arse into gear. That was not nice. Oh, is anyone just... Oh, gravity. I look like I'm 14 again. My scene hair. I have a newborn shoot in the conservatory in half an hour. I've set up most of it. I'm still learning and how to get all my props together, and I think with my equestrian photography I've got a way of doing things and I know what works and what doesn't for me and for my client, and I'm just out of it a little bit because I haven't done it enough. I'm still producing images that I'm pleased with and my clients are really happy with them, but I haven't got much faith in myself at the best of times, so when I haven't got a lot of experience it's not great. What else have we been doing? We've got some bedding and we did a mass muck out this morning. I think I need 2 barrows out of Bola stable. This is just so messy and it's just such a nice day, and I actually could have probably done a shoot today. I just didn't even think about it because it's still so windy. Can you imagine hair in the wind? It's just going to be... It's my obsession of this vlog, I think. And I'm sorry this vlog has just been a bit... But I think I'm just getting to grips with it. I'm knowing not to itch my face, things like I have done it because my makeup is horrendous. But like, in just learning how to speak to you, and I think I've kept most of it in, but I've been really wanting to take it out because it's not perfect. But then who is? So it's hard. I think I'm hopefully, if I do more of these, I am going to get better at it. And also, like this morning, I've been busy and doing things, and I've been to the post office and just that kind of day-to-day thing that people want to see. I forgot to do it. Or I just didn't do it, I don't know. Not putting makeup on, and my skin's normally better, so normally I can just not have makeup on, but I don't feel quite confident quite there yet. Talking in front of the camera is bad enough. There's just lots of new things happening, and I'm really looking forward to the photography show next week. I've got a rail card because I'm hoping to go 3 days, although I reckon I'll probably do 2 and be like, I don't want to go again. But there's lots of, I said courses earlier, but I think I mean classes or just talks, that's what I mean. And then if I am going to do newborns, or just even if I just get a small collection of things or even just ideas. I remember last year me and Mum were like, God, all the stalls are newborn. God, I've been talking for 3 minutes. Bloody hell. Yeah, I think hopefully we'll actually be able to take advantage of the newborn stuff this time, because especially through winter and we've got this beautiful like room, it's really good for what I'm doing, and I think it doesn't hurt to try new things, especially if I know I can do it. I know I've tried other things and they haven't worked, but yeah, it's just really exciting. Lots and lots of exciting things. What have you all been up to last week, the week gone? Let me know in the comments.